Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Yale safe. Firstly, open the battery compartment and insert a 4AA batteries in the correct polarity, then close the battery compartment. Remove the keypad panel to reveal the keyhole. Insert the override key and turn it clockwise. While holding the key turned, rotate the handle or turn the knob to open the door. And once opened, you can set your passcode. Look inside the door for the reset button and press and release the reset button. You'd usually hear a beep. Enter your new 3 to 8 digit code on the keypad, then press the hashtag or enter button and wait for confirmation, beep or green light. Your code is now saved. Now close the safe door, enter your new code and press hashtag or enter and turn the handle or knob to open just to make sure it works. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching.